Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so pairing is quick. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so the audio system is active, and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and visible. Once done, navigate the radio display to the Phone or Settings menu. This tells the head unit to accept new connections. Make sure other nearby devices won't auto-connect, disable, or forget them temporarily. You're starting the pairing process now, which lets the Altima discover your phone and exchange. Once the car is searching, look for your phone name in the head unit list and select it. This initiates the secure exchange. You'll see a PIN on both the Altima display and your phone. Confirm they match to prevent accidental pairing with another device. After confirming, accept any prompts on the phone to allow audio streaming and contact access so hands-free features work. Make sure you grant media audio specifically, otherwise only calls will route through the car and not music. You're almost done. Set the phone as the primary device on the head unit if you want automatic connections, then play music and place a test call to verify audio and microphone function. If music won't play, make sure media audio is enabled on the phone and toggle Bluetooth off and on. If that fails, delete the pairing on both devices and repeat the process. For stubborn problems, restart your phone, cycle the ignition, and check for head unit firmware updates. These steps clear residual faults and usually fix connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.